Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This will get everything you need to know in 90 seconds to 9 o'clock, including news that it is apparently ageing Americans that will drive the world economy over the next 10 years. But first, the World Bank said overnight that it has cut its growth forecasts for China to 7.4% in 2014, 7.2% next year, and 7.1% in 2016. And the bank expects the overall East Asia and Pacific region to grow at 6.9% this year, down from 7.1% it previously forecast. The European Union is reported to be preparing to reject France's 2015 budget, setting up a clash that would be the biggest test yet of the powers of Brussels that were designed to prevent a repeat of the Eurozone's sovereign debt crisis. And staying in Europe, German factory orders fell in August by their largest amount since the height of the GFC in 2009, according to the Economy Ministry data. In the US, and following the encouraging September jobs report, which showed unemployment dipping below 6%, a new official review of future jobs growth is painting an optimistic but also unsettling picture. The review dismissed warnings that stalled incomes, changing demographics and tighter credit could make consumer spending less capable of powering the American economy. By examining the relationship between consumer spending and jobs during the GFC and into the future, the BLS projected that spend-happy Americans would continue to account for more than 70% of that country's total output and more than 63% of the nation's jobs in coming years. Their future employment will be driven by healthcare industry, they say. In New York, US Treasury 10-year yields fell slightly overnight to 2.43%, and the oil price is just on $90 a barrel, with the Brent just above $92 a barrel. Markets are choking on oversupply. Gold bounced back today and is now up at $1,207 an ounce. We start today with our currency level pegging against nearly every other one we benchmark against. The New Zealand dollar is 77.9 US cents, is at 89.3 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 76.2. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.